Hey guys, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to remove your tailgate from a Ford F-150. This is specifically a 2019, but this should work on pretty much 2017 through 2020. So this one has the backup camera. So first off, we're going to have to remove the backup camera here. So I've been working. We're going to go underneath the seat or underneath the back here, and so we're working with this one right here. It's actually going to be found up right there. There's a little Christmas tree holding that on and a Christmas tree holding the wire on as well. So if you just push from behind and kind of wiggle it back and forth from the front, they come off. It's kind of a pain, but you get a lot of dust in your eyes because ours is really dirty. And the same with this one, you'll pop that off and then pull that down. And because trying to get this undone with it up there is a really big pain. So there's a little button right here. You're supposed to just be able to push that and it should come apart, but obviously it doesn't always work that easy, so I just struggled for like 10 minutes trying to pull it apart. So that button, because it's dirty, so I think there's a lot of dust in it. So I push that button, it kind of gets stuck, but then that's the inside there. So I took a screwdriver and kind of pushed that flap down so it was really off of this, and that seemed to dislocate it pretty well. So we're going to dislocate that. That's your first step there. Now that we got the camera unhooked here, next thing you're going to do is unhook these cables here. So just give this a little slack here, and you should just be able to pop this up over that, and that should slide off like that. And then do the same on the other side here. It's fun to do with one hand. There we go. And that should let the tailgate fall a little bit there. So get those out of the way. Get those out of the way. And so on the right side, or the passenger side, you can see this. I'll zoom in here. So once you get it to about, whatever, 45-degree angle, that's where it's going to pop out at. So this side has the angle, so if it's down flat, it's not going to work. You just got to get it at the right angle there. There's a little like cushion in there, but this should pop out this way. And then I'll show you on the other side. The other side is just a full circle. So once you get this side popped out, you might need two people, because filming it and doing it at the same time is a little difficult. So you're going to pop this straight out, and then that side should just come out just straight out this way to the right. So that should be it, guys. Hopefully you guys found this handy. If you liked it, make sure to give us a like, and as always, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.